Good morning, students. In last yoga class, I taught you divided respiration, that is Udara, Ura and Griva. I hope you practiced it. Today, I would teach you Anuloma, Viloma, Pranayama. This is also very easy, but you have to concentrate upon your mind and respiration. Okay. Now, before starting Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, you have to do some introductory exercise for that pranayama. That is common. You sit in attention position, Chin Mudra. This is Chin Mudra, and keep your hands on your thighs like this or like this. Then start 4 to 5 times slowly deep breathing. Okay. This is just like divided respiratory system, that is complete. Udara, Ura, Griva, and all together is called complete breathe in, breathe out. That you can practice this for 4 or 5 times. Okay. So one time over. So you have to continue it for 4 or 5 times. Next you start Anuloma Viloma. This is very easy. Now our left nostril, Anuloma Viloma means you have to inhale, exhale through the nostrils. So this is left nostril and this is right nostril. So left nostril is called Chandranadi. This right nostril is called Suryanadi. So the first exercise, inhale or exhale through Chandranadi. This is called as Chandranuloma exercise or Chandranuloma pranayama. Understood? Now let us start. For this exercise, you have to sit in any meditative posture or Vajrasana or Sukhasana, comfortable for you, and Nasika Mudra. This is Nasika Mudra. You have to bend 2 fingers, these 2 fingers straight, and this bend to this ring finger and little finger straight, and fold 2 fingers and thumb straight. This is called Nasika Mudra. And you have to block the Surya Nadi, means right nostril, and inhale, exhale through Chandra Nadi. Understood? See, breathe in, exhale. Understood? Slowly you have to breathe in, means inhale, exhale through Chandra Nadi, blocking Surya Nadi by your thumb, means in the by your thumb with Nasika Mudra. You have to maintain the balance between inhale and exhale. Next, Suryanuloma Viloma or Suryanuloma Pranayama. This is the vice versa of Chandranuloma. Now, same Nasika Mudra. Now, you have to block the Chandranadi by ring finger and little finger and inhale through Surya Nadi. Inhale, exhale. So this is Suryanuloma Viloma. Here also you have to maintain the balance between inhale and exhale. You have to practice this inhale, exhale 4 to 6 times in Chandra Nadi and 4 to 6 times in Surya Nadi. The ratio between your exercise should be means inhale, exhale, and Chandra Nadi exercise and Surya Nadi exercise should be similar. Try to keep that similarity. Okay. This is only for beginners, means 5 to 6 times beginners. When you are getting perfection, then you can increase the counts. Okay. Next, after this, you can continue another exercise in Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, that is Chandra Bedana Pranayama and Surya Bedana Pranayama. Chandra Bedana Pranayama means, once again you sit in any meditative posture, sit straight, once again Nasika Mudra, and now I am demonstrating the Chandra Bedana Pranayama. So block your Surya Nadi and you have to inhale through Chandra Nadi. Now you have to block Chandra Nadi and you have to exhale to Surya Nadi. You understood? I repeat, you have to block the Surya Nadi and you have to inhale through Chandra Nadi and hold for a fraction of a second. After that, you have to exhale through Surya Nadi. Now once again I demonstrate Nasika Mudra. Once again. Okay. Inhale through Chandra Nadi, exhale through Surya Nadi. This is also 5 to 6 times you have to practice. Next, this is Chandra Vedana. Next, Surya Vedana. In Surya Vedana, you have to inhale through Surya Nadi and exhale through Chandra Nadi. Once again, Nasika Mudra. See, I block the Chandra Nadi. Now I am inhaling through Surya Nadi. Now I am blocking Surya Nadi, exhaling through Chandra Nadi. Once again. Okay, vice versa of Chandra Bhedana. See, here also you have to repeat this exercise just 5 to 6 times after practicing, or after 10 days, 15 days later, or if you are confident about your these inhaling, exhaling exercise, then you can increase the counts. Okay. This is beginners 5 to 6 times, or you can maximize, increase it to 8 times also. So you can 8 times also, till 8 times also you can continue. So while inhaling and exhaling, you have to close your eyes and concentrate your mind upon your breathing exercise. Don't think any other matters. So just like meditation, then benefit will be, or effect of this exercise is more. Understood? So silent atmosphere is very, very suitable for this exercise. And also while practicing this Anuloma Viloma exercise, just what I taught you in divided respiration, like that, means Udara, Ura, Griva. You keep it on those technique in your mind and practice this exercise. Okay. Now the benefits of this exercise. It is nothing but benefits means for our respiratory system. It tones up our lungs and our respiratory system. And those who are suffering from headache, due to headache means taleno, due to stress, strain, and also cough and what's called running nose. These ailments can be cured by these breathing exercises. And also our this exercise is very beneficial to our digestive system. Overall, this is very beautiful and very what's called important and very beneficial exercise to our body. If you are suffering from any ailments, means BP or heart problem and liver kidney problem, you don't practice this. Otherwise, this is anybody can practice this breathe, inhale, exhale exercise. Okay, always practice. No hurry, in clear silent atmosphere, slowly steadily practice this. I repeat today. I recall what I taught today. I taught Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. First, we have to inhale, exhale through Chandranadi 4 to 5 times. Next, same ratio, we have to inhale, exhale through Surya Nadi. So this is same ratio. Next, Chandra Vedana and Surya Vedana pranayamas. So Chandra Vedana, you have to inhale through Chandra Nadi, means left nostril, and exhale through right nostril or Surya Nadi. This is also 5 to 6 times, and keep the same ratio for Surya Vedana. Surya Vedana, inhale through Surya Nadi or right nostril and exhale through Chandra Nadi or left nostril. Okay, this is also the ratio, means counts of Surya Vedana and Chandra Vedana should be equal, means similar. Okay, practice early morning practice is better. When your stomach is full, don't practice, means you can practice but effect is less. So early morning with empty stomach or half stomach is better. Once again I remind you, concentrate upon your breathing exercise. Don't think any other matters. So concentrate your mind upon your breathing exercise only. So this is enough for today's class. Next class I will teach you the continuation part of Anuloma Viloma exercise. Thank you.